Hello friend, in the NEET 2019, one more problem asked in the set number S2. The problem number 146 belongs to P block element, and that 2 has taken from the different groups. So one is the group, 2 is from group 15, one is group 16 and another is group 17. So what they are saying, match the following: pure nitrogen. Okay, so pure nitrogen, how to prepare the pure nitrogen, student? And in front of the pure nitrogen, chlorine is there. Which one will match with the pure nitrogen? So chlorine not possible, sulfuric acid not possible, ammonia is not possible. That is sodium and barium azide. So if you go A number, student, if you talk about, we already studied, that is pure nitrogen, dinitrogen is prepared by heating the sodium and barium azide. So if you talk about NaN3 is there, student, take the two molecule and you heat it. So what it will give you, student, you will get 2Na plus 3N2 you will get. Okay, so it is the pure dinitrogen, and even the your BaN3 is there, BaN3. So you take the 2 moles of BaN3. So what you will be able to get, friend? Okay, so again you heat it, this will, you will get, that is 2Ba plus you will get, that is 3N2. So that is the same you will be able to get here. So what I am saying, that is you are getting the pure nitrogen. So first A number is matching with the 4 number. A is 4. So let us check B. What is the Haber process? Haber process you know very well, that is the in 11th standard, 12th standard, so many places we prepare, that is Haber process is preparation of ammonia. So we take N2 plus 3H2 in the presence of the iron catalyst, it gives the 2NH3. So that is B number is what? Ammonia. That is option number match will is the third. Now you say the contact process. And contact process I told you, student, in the preparation of sulfuric acid. So how we prepare the sulfuric acid, student, that you know very well, that firstly you heat the sulfur, so you get the sulfur dioxide. Okay, so that is C number. I have explained little bit the contact process. What is contact process, friend? That is the firstly sulfur you are heating, so you are getting, that is what you are getting, SO2. Okay, then SO2 you are having, and you take, that is B2O5 catalyst, vanadium pentoxide catalyst, and you convert into the SO3. Okay, 2 mole you take, here is also SO3, and then you dissolve in water. Take SO3 and dissolve in water, students. So it will give, you will get, that is H2SO4. So this is the contact process. So third number, C number option is matching with the H2SO4, that is second. Now you take the Deccan process. Deccan process is, you know, student, this is the preparation of chlorine that we have already studied in the chlorine chapter, you know. So Deccan process, if you option number D, if you are going option D, so you see, that is what is the Deccan process, friend, if you know. So Deccan process is preparation of the chlorine. So how you prepare the Deccan process? In Deccan process, so HCl and water react. Deccan process. So what we do is, student, you take, that is hydrochloric acid, and you heat in the presence of the catalyst CuCl2, cuprous chloride with oxygen. So you will get, that is water molecule, and along with that is chlorine, Cl2 gas. This chlorine is matching with the what number option? Option number 1. So D is 1. So this is our God. So A4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Which one is matching, student? 4, 3, option number 4, 3, 2, 1. Option number B is the correct option. So I hope it will be clear to you, student. Now let us move for the another problem. Hello friend, now the problem number 147 in the same the NEET paper. The problem is saying, that is number of sigma and pi bond in pent2 in 4-ine is. So how many sigma and pi bond is there in pent2 in and 4-ine? So let us try to understand, student. If you want to check this, firstly you go to the structure. So pent is their word root. So meth, eth, prop, but, pent. So pent means 5 carbon. Upon the second position, what is there? In is there. Okay, and fourth position, if you talk about 1, 2, 3, 4, and fourth position, if you see, fourth position is wine is there. So triple bond, 1 2 3 4 5, 4 ion. So we give the priorities to the double bond. So that is, here you can match it out, student. Here is the single bond, here is also single bond, here is the carbon valency we are matching. So 4 3 1 4, here is 3 1 4, and here is 1 2 3. So upside one hydrogen will go. This 2 1 3, upside one hydrogen will go, and here is the 3 hydrogen. So you can check it out, student. This is the what we are, that is pent 2 in 4 ion. This is structure of pent 2 in 4 ion. Now they are saying, student, double bond contain what? Double bond contain what? 1 sigma bond plus 1 pi bond. That you have to understand with the hybridization. And triple bond contain what? Triple bond contain, student, that is 1 sigma bond and 2 pi bond. Okay, that you have to understand with the help of hybridization or the structure. Dear friend, you try to calculate sigma bond. So single bond 1 2, single bond is the sigma bond 1 2 3 4 5. Here is double bond is there, means 1 sigma bond, 6 7 8 9 10. So number of sigma bond equal to how many, friend? That is 10. Up see, pi bond, here is double and here is triple. Triple means 2 pi bond, double bond means 1 pi bond. So it is 1 and 2, 2 1 3. So pi bond is, student, how many pi bond? That is 3. So 10 sigma 3 pi. So which number option is matching? Option number C is correct option, student. That is 10 sigma bond and 3 pi bond. Now let us move for another problem, students. Hello friend, now the question number 148 from the NEET set number 2. The same enzyme that utilize ATP is phosphate transfer. Okay. Required an alkaline earth metal M as the cofactor. Okay. Covector M is. So they are asking, that is they have given the 4 options: calcium, strontium, beryllium and magnesium. Out of this, which one is acting as a cofactor for enzyme? So we know that is cofactor, student. Cofactor, when you are studying, cofactor is the non-organic. Okay, cofactor is non-organic. Non-organic, that is what you can say, that is it is the metal. Any cofactor, what are the cofactor? That is metal. Out of the calcium, strontium, beryllium and magnesium, that we is the very simple from NCERT, that those who study the NCERT books, that they can do, that is the memory based problem. That is magnesium is act as a covector for the enzymes. So here if you write, that is magnesium, here it is acting as a covector for enzyme. So there the correct option is the option number D. This is the very simple problem. None of the other option is matching with the covector. That is only the option which is matching is option number D. And now the problem number 149. Identify the incorrect statement. That you keep in mind, student, what we have to identify: incorrect statement related to PCl5 from the following data. Now structure, you know, student, here is the P, here is Cl, that is downside Cl, this is also Cl. These are the known as what? Equatorial bond, student, that is corner bond. This is the equatorial bond, and that is 2 bond is also there, student, axial bond, that is top and bottom. So axial PCl bonds are longer than equatorial bond. Okay, what they are saying, axial bond is longer than. More repulsion, if you talk about more repulsion and longer the bond, proportional, longer the bond. Dear friend, when you are talking about more repulsion, longer the bond, what is meaning of this? Here you see what is the degree, here is the angle is what? 90 degree, and here is what degree, student? If you talk about this one, equatorial, here is 120 degree. So axial and equatorial bond angle is less. So low bond angle, more repulsion here is. So what will happen, student? this axial will face more repulsion, so the longer bond. So this is first one is axial PCl bond is longer than equatorial bond. That is very true. अब now second number point, PCl molecule not reactive. This is not correct. PCl molecule not reactive, that is incorrect, student. PCl molecule get react. Okay, how PCl molecule get react? It's actually get react with so many metal, but here is PCl5. If you are hydrolyzing it H2O, so it is giving the POCl3 plus it will give, that is 2HCl. So PCl3, what they are saying, that is non-reactive. This is wrong statement. This is the wrong statement. Up now the option number C, when you are going option number 3, 3 equatorial PCl bond makes an angle of 120 degree with each other. So here is 120 degree downside, here is also 120 degree, and this is also 120 degree. This is also correct statement. 2 axial PCl bond makes an angle of 180 degree. When you are talking about, student, the axial bond, you see the axial bond. What is the axial bond? P, here is Cl and downside Cl, and what is the angle is how much degree? 180 degrees. So that is whatever they have said, that is correct. So A, C, D are correct, only B is the wrong statement. So in 149 our answer should be option number B. Hello friend, now the problem number 150. If the rate constant for a first order reaction is K, the time T required for the completion of the 99% of the reaction is given by. Okay, so that is they are talking about the first order reaction, student. So what is first order reaction? If you talk about the first order reaction, T equal to 2.303 upon K, and that 2 we are talking about 99%, and log, what is that is A initial concentration, that is an A final concentration. Up, dear student, what is the final concentration, what is initial? Let initial concentration is 100. Initial concentration is what, student? That is we are talking about 100. So final, if you talk about final concentration 100 minus 100% of 99. Okay, so 99%, after completion 99%, this 100 cancel out, that is 100 minus 99. So how much is coming, student? 1. So T99% is equal to 2.303 upon K, a log initial concentration, that is we are talking about 100, and divided by 1. So that is what will come, student? 2.303 upon K, a log, what is that is 10 square. अब dear student, again we are writing next step 2.303 upon K, and log 10 power 2 means 2 log 10. Now here what we can do, student, that is 2.303 upon K, and here is 2 into log 10 value 1. So how much value is coming, student? That is 4.606 upon K. So our, that is the, what would be the answer, student? Here is the T99% completion equal to 4.606 upon what is coming, student? Upon K. This is our option. So this is a very simple option. That is what we have to know, student. That is initial and final concentration, that you have to understand. Initial concentration I have taken 100%. So final concentration 100 minus 99% of 100. So 100 minus 99% of 100. So that is 100 minus, that is cancel out 100 minus 99, that is 1. So in the formula what we are putting, T99% equal to 2.303 upon K log 100 upon, this is final concentration is 1. So 2.303 upon K log 10 square, 100 means 10 square. Ab log A power n equal to what? N log A. So that is 2.303 upon K, 2 log 10. Log 10 value is 1. So here 2 multiply, so it will come 4.606 upon K. So T99% equal to, that is 4.606 upon K. So which number option is correct, student? Option number first is the correct option. So now the next option, wait for the next question, students.